My name is Paul Stenson. I'm managing the Moose Café here in Phibsborough and the adjoining Charleville Lodge Hotel. We've been in business for roughly 15 years. A lot of entrepreneurs are giving out yards about the recent budget. To be honest, as far as we're concerned, it doesn't really affect us as we don't pay our taxes anyway. What's a very important and very serious issue for us at the moment is fussy eaters, namely the gluten intolerant or suffering from a very chronic mental disorder, vegans and other people who suffer from made-up gastrointestinal diseases. To counteract all of this, we've commissioned a professional MMA fighter who has helped us to introduce a zero tolerance policy here in the cafe.
Now, hi, are you ready to order?
Yeah, I'm not exactly seeing a lot of option here for gluten-free food.
Oh, you're celiac, is it?
No, I'm gluten-free.
You're gluten-free?
Yeah.
Get out.
The results have been very, very positive. We haven't had to shoot dead vegans at the door anymore. We've relaxed, I suppose, our policy on shooting vegans dead, and Ben is a very welcome member of the new team.